my channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and today I am here with another art challenge, which is to paint with this ballpoint pen. I am going to complete so many drawings using this pen today. I don't know exact number, whether those are going to be 5 or 6 or 4. I don't know the number, but I am pretty sure that one out of those is a portrait of a legend. So that is a prize for you. So what we are waiting for? Let's start with this video. For my first drawing, I am starting with a sketch of a girl having a backpack in her back. I am trying to represent something related to freedom and education. So I am thinking to draw some birds flying and few books near her. After outlining everything with black pen, I am going to add shading. Starting from her hair, I am going to draw a few birds and going to do scribbling around her body. I'm doing this before just starting to add details in her. You know, it's been almost 6 to 7 years when last I did this kind of sketch during my college times in my class. That time I was doing my BTech, I did engineering, so I used to do this in my free lectures and in my boring lectures too. Like, it's really normal for almost everyone because everyone loves to do doodling in their boring lectures, and I also used to do the same. After drawing the birds, I am going to add details in her backpack, and after doing this, I am going to add details in her dress. I am using hatching and cross-hatching techniques to add shading in it. I am also thinking to draw a tree in the background because dry trees are really loved in this kind of sketches, especially with ballpoint pen. And in this artwork, it's really serving the purpose by sitting well with the theme. So our first beautiful sketch after adding all the details is now ready. What do you think about this, guys? In my opinion, it's really good and cute artwork. What do you think about this? Do let me know in comments. So guys, our first drawing is really looking amazing and it is up to my expectations. So let's move forward towards our second one. This second sketch is going to be really simple. I just wanted to draw an eye using pen, so I'm doing this. I am not thinking much for this. When I started this sketch, I was not thinking about any kind of techniques or anything, so I lagged in my starting, but I am trying to manage things well as I am going towards the end. After drawing the iris and basic eye, I am moving towards the lash areas and eyelids. I am drawing few flower petals on the bottom of eye to add some kind of funkiness in my artwork, and I really love to do experimenting with all kind of sketches, and this is really my kind of thing and I love doing this. My techniques are same in this sketch also, which are hatching and cross hatching. I always want to draw eyes and I love doing this. I can draw eyes in all kind of media, guys, because I look straight into eyes of people, and this is the only thing that I think I notice in everybody. So I am really familiar with different types of eyes, so I love drawing these. After drawing small bugs and a tree and few birds, I think I am going to finish it. It's really so small and cute drawing. I really like this artwork, guys. I hope you also love this. Do you like it or not? Do let me know in the comments. I am really in love with this artwork. So guys, my second sketch turned out really amazing because I am pretty comfortable in drawing the eyes, but now the risk is coming because I am going to draw 2 perspective sketches and I am going to draw some corridor scenes in those. So let us move towards those. For 2 perspective drawing, I already have something in my mind. I just drew some freehand drawing with pencil where I want my buildings to be. You know, I don't like to use ruler in my drawings. For me, it takes away all the charm of my drawing or painting. I love freehand drawings, and if you have seen some of my videos on this channel in which I did few acrylic paintings, you have seen that I don't even use pencil for basic drawing. I like to outline the objects using some same brushes that I use for painting. Today, when I am drawing these things, it is taking a lot of time but providing less details as compared to the 3D acrylic paintings that I used to do usually. It's kind of disheartening for me as an artist, but I am trying my best to do justice with this ballpoint pen and with this video. I want really good content for my viewers because you are my love and you are everything to me. So, if I would have to work harder to achieve the goals of best content, I will definitely do for you. In this two perspective drawing, I am trying to create scene of corridor or restroom of a mall kind of building, which is having a lot of glass windows. This drawing is more close to architectural studies of perspective, but I am not using the exact techniques today. Like, I am not using my drafter or any kind of specific technique for this today, but I am trying to draw same exact thing using simple ruler or scale on my paper today. For shading again, I used hatching and cross-hatching techniques, and I am drawing few sofas or single bed kind of things outside just to provide a spot for rest. Or this spot could be a meeting spot with the pool on the right bottom corner. So this drawing is now ready. It is really very simple but looking like beautiful architectural sketch. I hope you also love this drawing. What do you think? Do let me know. So guys, this drawing also turned out really amazing. Now we have to move towards our next one, and I am pretty sure that is also going to rock. So let's move towards that. Now for my second architectural drawing, I selected a scene of gallery with a lot of display boards in it. I am starting the drawing with a line in the center. This drawing is going to be a kind of mirror image from the center. I am drawing same things on both the sides. I am going to draw ceiling and floor in this drawing and a lot of things and a lot of display boards with a lot of stuff on those. On all the display boards there are few pieces of artworks placed. After doing light shading and adding details in my artwork is going to be ready, and I am loving this artwork. Have a look on this artwork. I hope you are going to love this one also. So guys, now it's the time of surprise. Now what is this surprise? This is the portrait sketch of Sidhu Moosewala. So let's move towards it. For this portrait, I am starting the drawing from eyes. I am already done with the dimensions that I drew using light pencil shading, and now I am going to add details using black pen. After drawing the eyes, I started to draw the face. I am using cross-hatching and solid lines of black pen to complete this artwork. I still cannot imagine that I am drawing this portrait when he is not in this world. And recently his single track Mirana is trending from last 5 days, and the situations in which I am drawing this artwork are really, not suitable maybe, and drawing someone's portrait even after their death is I can't explain this feeling in my words, and this is really messy kind of thing. May he rest in peace. I just don't want to say anything else. After drawing his turban, I am going to add details in his clothes. I am just doing hatching everywhere. This sketch is turning really good, guys. I did not have this kind of expectations, but it is really turning well. I am adding more shading in my sketch to make it look more realistic. After adding more details to his turban, to his face and to his clothes, this sketch is going to be ready. So guys, have a look on this sketch. This sketch is now really looking really a great piece. Now I am providing all my drawings a number and going to show you all, and you are going to tell me which one is the best one. So my first one drawing is this sketch of a girl which is representing freedom. The second one is this beautiful eye, and the third one is Sidhu Moosewala's portrait. And the fourth and fifth one are architectural two perspective sketches. Which one is your favorite? Guys, let me tell you a secret. I am not big fan of sketching, but what I did today is really mesmerizing me, and I am so proud of myself. All the sketches turned out really amazing. Which one is your favorite? Do let me know in the comments. And guys, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, and you you can subscribe this channel to watch more art videos from my side, for which you need to press the subscribe button, and also you need to press the bell icon to get notifications for all my new videos first. So guys, I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, you are amazing.